In this video, we will go over the new Alpena Auto LED Control app. Once the Alpena Auto app is launched, tap I agree to confirm you are not driving while operating a mobile device and to continue. Allow the Alpena Auto app to access Bluetooth. This may also be updated later in your phone or device's settings. Select your Alpena FlowGlo product from the main menu. The Alpena Auto app will automatically detect devices in your range. If your product is not on the list, make sure it has power and tap Scan. You can select a sedan, SUV, or truck layout. Each A icon represents a channel, and each channel can change independently or be grouped together. Look for the master power toggle at the top right of the screen. The grouping button on the bottom right of the screen allows you to group any of the 4 channels together. This could be the front and rear, both sides, or a single section of your vehicle. Once in the grouping menu, you can select the independent channels and assign a color, pattern, etc. Just tap the channels you would like to adjust and then press Go. Here, you can assign a single color from one of the presets along the top, or create a new one from the color wheel and adjust brightness. If you create a color using the color wheel, you can save it as a preset below. Just select your color, tap Save, and then tap the empty preset box you would like to assign your custom color to. You may also delete a preset by tapping the preset and then Delete. Tap the Scenes button to the right of the color wheel to explore presets or multicolor light patterns. Each scene preset has a range of colors represented in this icon. A green checkmark will appear on a selected scene. You can adjust the speed of the color changing in any scene by using the slider along the bottom. To exit the scene menu and for different options, look for the less than symbol on the top left. This is the back button. Alpena FlowGlo lighting products have preset color flow patterns. Once in the flow menu, you can choose from 75 color flow patterns. Just tap the color lines to select a pattern. Once you have selected a pattern, a red outline will indicate your selection. The sliders below will adjust the brightness of the light and the speed of the color flow. Alpena FlowGlo lighting products can create custom color flow patterns. To enter this menu, tap the custom flow text along the top. Tap an empty plus box to begin. First up is color choice. Use the wheel to create custom color, or choose from the row of preset colors above the wheel and tap the blue checkmark button to proceed. Once you have made your color selections, you can choose a light pattern from the 5 selections: blend, twinkle, block, pulse, or strobe. This will determine how each color transitions into the next. You may adjust the brightness and speed of the flow pattern using the respective sliders. Hit the save key and select an empty preset below to save your new custom flow pattern. Once your pattern is set and your glow is glowing, you can turn the power off at any time using the master power toggle on the top right hand corner of the app.